In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to create a 3D film strip in Photoshop. First of all, change the name of the background layer to black and fill it with black color using the Paint Bucket tool. Duplicate this layer and press Ctrl-I to invert the color on the layer. Name this layer White. Now decrease the height of the white layer to 80% and its width to 95%. Select both layers and press Ctrl-E to merge both the layers into a single layer. Go to the Select menu, click on the All option, and press Ctrl-C to copy the entire layer. Go to the File menu, click the Open option, and select a background image. Now press Ctrl-V to paste the copied layer onto the canvas. Duplicate the layer 4 times and place them to form a film strip. Select all these layers and press Ctrl-E to merge them in a single layer and rename the layer to Frames. Once done, select the Move tool and increase its size according to the background. Select the Eraser tool, choose a square brush, then go to the Windows menu and select the Brush option. Set the brush size to 55 px and spacing to 300% and close this panel. Now place the eraser at the corner of the film strip, press and hold the Shift key from the keyboard, and drag the cursor towards the other end. Similarly, repeat the same step for the bottom strip. Go to the Edit menu, select Transform, and click on the Warp option. Choose the flag shape from the menu and apply it on the image. Now select the inner white area of the first frame by using the Magic Wand tool and press Ctrl-C on the keyboard to copy the selection. Insert a new layer, change its name to 1, and press Ctrl-V to paste the selection to a new layer. In the same way, select the rest of the frames and form separate layers for each frame. Once done, open an image and bring it on the canvas. Position it on the first frame, right-click on this layer and select the Create Clipping Mask option from the menu. This will clip the image inside the first frame. Adjust its size according to the frame, and in the same way, fill the rest of the frames. Now select all layers except the background layer and press Ctrl-E to merge them in a single layer. Select the Move tool and click on the Show Transform Controls option to enable free transformation of the image. Click at the corner of the image, press and hold the Control key, and give your film strip a perspective. Once done, apply the transformation, and that's it.